Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
Now there are other fasts mentioned in the Quran which are not related only to the month of Ramadan. We know I have now discussed, but there are other fasts mentioned in the Quran, the same fast and the timings. I will read this ayah where you will come to know the timings and the abstainness, what to abstain. So in Surah Al-Baqarah 2 and ayah 187, أُحِلَّ لَكُمْ لَيْلَةَ الصِّيَامِ صِيَامِ الرَّفَثُ إِلَى نِسَائِكُمْ هُنَّ لِبَاسٌ لَكُمْ وَأَنْتُمْ لِبَاسٌ لَهُنَّ عَلِمَ اللَّهُ أَنَّكُمْ كُنْتُمْ تَخْتَانُونَ أَنفُسَكُمْ فَتَابَ عَلَيْكُمْ وَعَفَا عَنْكُمْ فَالْآنَ بَاشِرُوهُنَّ وَابْتَغُوا مَا كَتَبَ اللَّهُ لَكُمْ وَكُلُوا وَاشْرَبُوا حَتَّى يَتَبَيَّنَ لَكُمُ الْخَيْطُ الْأَبْيَضُ مِنَ الْخَيْطِ الْأَسْوَدِ مِنَ الْفَجْرِ ثُمَّ أَتِمُّوا الصِّيَامَ إِلَى اللَّيْلِ وَلَا تُبَاشِرُونَ وَأَنْتُمْ عَاكِفُونَ فِي الْمَسَاجِدِ تِلْكَ حُدُودُ اللَّهِ فَلَا تَقْرَبُوهَا كَذَلِكَ يُبَيِّنُ اللَّهُ آيَاتِهِ لِلنَّاسِ لَعَلَّهُمْ يَتَّقُونَ. It is lawful for you to be indecent, to have obscene talks to your woman or wife in the night of the fast. They are a covering for you and you are a covering for them. Allah knows that you betrayed your souls or yourselves, so He returns over you and pardon you about it. So now accompany them and seek what Allah has written for you, and eat and drink until the white thread from the dawn clarifies for you from the black thread. Then complete the fast towards the night. And you do not accompany them when you are devoted in the mosque, that is itikaf. These are the boundaries, limits of Allah, so you do not go near them. Likewise, Allah clarifies His ayahs, signs for the people, so that they may take guard. Now in this ayah, you will come to know in the fast what we have to abstain. You see, the first portion of an ayah is referring to obscene talks or indecent. You know, a husband, there's a separate topic which deal with a relationship between husband and wife. Husband-wife relationship in a particular time factor in having sexual relationship, there is a specific prerequisite of that relationship is indecent talk to the wife. Rafasa is permissible by Allah all over a year and in the night of the fast is permissible by Allah. But what has happened, people thought this month is holy, so they avoided the talk, taking that it is the whole month is holy. So Allah says it is lawful for you to be indecent, to have an obscene talk to your woman in the night of the fast, not in the daytime when you are fasting. In the daytime when you are fasting, the daytime is fasting. We are getting the time factor of the fast and what we have to abstain. We cannot be indecent talk in the daytime when we are fasting with your wife. So now Allah says that it is lawful in the night of the fast. That means in the night of the fast, if you intend to have relations, you can have indecent talks. Now is the timings. وَكُلُوا وَاشْرَبُوا لَكُمُ الْخَيْطُ الْأَبْيَضُ مِنَ الْخَيْطِ الْأَسْوَدِ مِنَ الْفَجْرِ ثُمَّ أَتِمُّوا الصِّيَامَ إِلَى اللَّيْلِ. Now this portion of an ayah is explaining us the timings of the fast. He says you eat and drink when the white thread is clear to you from the dawn, from the black thread. Now this is known as a twilight time, meaning the time before the sunrise. Before the sunrise, when the sun starts to come, before the sun, actually you don't see the sun, but you see the darkness is removed. Little darkness is removed, and that is the white thread from the black thread. The whole is black, and when the light blackness is gone and the white thread, you can see that is the time of closing the fast. Okay? Now it says further, ثُمَّ أَتِيمُوا الصِّيَامَ إِلَى اللَّيْلِ. Then you complete the fast when? Hello? When you complete ثُمَّ أَتِيمُوا الصِّيَامَ إِلَى, when you complete the fast إِلَى اللَّيْلِ, towards the night. Towards the night. Okay, hold on. The very important point. It says towards the night, not in the night. There are communities that you call Shia group, they open the fast in the night. If it would be in the night, would be fil layl. Fi means in. Ila means towards the night, as the night approaches. And it would be fil layl means in the night. The word night is there, I understand. But the question is, Allah does not say fil layl means in the night. So he said towards the night. So the moment sun sets, it's the beginning of the night. So Allah says, ثُمَّ أَتِمُّ الصِّيَامِ إِلَى اللَّيْلِ. You complete the fast towards the night, not in the night. If you complete the fast in the night, means you are making late for 10 minutes. Whatever the minute says. You are establishing the night, then you opening the fast. So I have to make this important, because people are making this, you say, it says layl in the Quran. Of course it says layl, but what does it say? It doesn't say fil layl means in the night, it says towards the night. Night doesn't be, our night begins the moment the sun sets. Is set, the night begins. And even the opening of the closing of the fast, it's not in the daytime. It's not the daytime, it says the white thread and the black thread is clear. It's not day, it is just night, starting of the night, or starting of the day. It is not, that same is when the sun sets, it is again twilight time. Not the moment it sets, it is there. It is not in the night. The night is complete darkness. Now further the ayah says, وَلَا تُبَاشِرُنَّ وَأَنْتُمْ عَاكِفُونَ فِي الْمَسَاجِدِ. And when you are devoted in the mosque, do not accompany your women. So now this is very important. People have not understood. I mean, they have understood, but practices are going unusual practices. It says, "Wala tubashiruhunna wa antum aakifuna fil masajid." So men are sitting in a mosque like itikaf. They say, men are sitting in the mosque, not women. Women are not sitting in the mosque. So he says, you will not accompany or accompany them, your women, when you are sitting, means when you're devoted in the mosque. So you will not have any this kind of accompany them in the mosque. You are sitting. Now what happened nowadays? Women are sitting in the house. Where does it say you sit in the house, women? Does it say in the ayahs? It says akifuna fil masajid. So I don't understand. Why can't people understand this ayah? It is referring to men. And men are asked to sit in the mosque for a period of time. That is 10 nights of the month of Ramadan. I will discuss, we will see that 10 nights of the last 10 nights in the month of Ramadan, you can sit in the itikaf and devoted are men. So why women want to sit in the mosque? And why Allah is not allowed them to go to do so? Because of menstruation, because of childbirth or breastfeeding. So many things are with women that they are secluded or excluded from these kind of laws and rules and regulations of God. So you say no, they can sit in the house. Who said that they can? Allah doesn't say this. It's in masjid. And masjid and house in Arabic, bait means house. Bait means house. And masjid means place of prayer. They are two different words. So it says specifically, وَلَا تُبَاشِرُنَّ وَأَنْتُمْ عَاكِفُونَ فِي الْمَسَاجِدِ. And you do not accompany your wives or women when you are in the masjid, devoted in the mosque. So men are sitting in the mosque last 10 nights of the month of Ramadan. That is itikaf. Suppose now these women, they go for Umrah and Hajj there in the sacred mosque, and they can can be devoted for a period of time. Like for example, normally it's a practice, they go for Zohar prayers and they are in wuzu or they are alright, they can sit till Maghrib, Isha, no problem. But these men have to sit 10 nights totally, 10 day and night, sorry, except for Sahri and Iftari or go to the toilets, that's all. Then you have to be in the mosque all the time. So men can be devoted, women can be devoted for a small little period of time, but for not 10 nights. Because of they don't have to sit in the house also. It's not mentioned in the book. So this is what I was just trying to. So he says, Tilka hududullah. These are the boundaries of Allah. Fala taqrabuha. Do not go near them. كَذَلِكَ يُبَيْنُ اللَّهُ آيَاتِ لِلنَّاسِ لَعَلَّهُمْ يَتَّقُونَ. Likewise, Allah clarifies His ayat signs for people so they may take guard.